The previous video I just did called Deception. You know, I heard this morning that a 13-year-old girl, I believe it was, suffered a heart attack from a little game that she heard on the internet called chroming. In other words, huffing, inhaling, like eating Tide Pods. You know what I mean? Well, anyway, huffing deodorant, she has a heart attack. And it seems that some attorney, boy, that must be a paper mill to get your law degree anymore, suggests the family sue the deodorant company. You know, that is a very tragic event for that family. But let me offer some marginal legal advice. Where was the influence coming from? Yeah, smart devices. And everybody thinks the internet is just freedom. It started out to be a great tool. I mean, after all, the military used it. Then it became available to the public. Who's using it now? You need to go after the internet company. The site that she's on, shut it down. If that's what they want to allow kids to see, or you or me. And hey, man, latest kick is, huffing deodorant, spray deodorant. Kicks just keep getting harder to find. Those so skilled at the art of deception are in danger of deceiving themselves. Come on, America.